Good morning, friends. Today I am going to explain you about the 1.4. In yesterday's lesson, we solved the example which are based on the simultaneous equation, linear equation in two variable. Student, before 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3, we solve which are based on the substitution method, elimination method and the Cramer's rule, as well as fourth is a graphical method. By this four method, we can solve the simultaneous linear equation in two variable. Okay, students. So similarly, in this method also we have to use the substitution or elimination method, but only the one different one extra point is here. Then which one it is? Now let us see how this exercise is different from the other. Listen, student. In this exercise, see the first question. What is? Solve the simultaneous equation. In the simultaneous equation, 2 upon x minus of 3 upon y is equal to 15. This is a given simultaneous equation first. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. This is the second simultaneous equation. Students, these both equation if you are observing. Now tell me, this is the linear equation in two variable? The question, what is the question? These two equations are the linear equation in two variable? No. Why? Because what is the definition of linear equation in two variable? The equations which having two variable with their power with their degree 1. But if you are observing these two equations, they are not linear equation in two variable because their degree of variable x and y is minus of 1. Now students, then what to do? If it is not linear equation, you can solve it by the substitution and elimination method? No. So this is the different. This one step is only we have to do. Make this given equation into the linear equation in two variables. Then how to make it? First equation, write here equation first. Second equation, write here equation first. Instead of 1 upon x and 1 upon y, substitute 1 upon x is p and 1 upon y is q. Means that variable you have to use. Q means here I am using pq. You can use mn, you can use lm, you can use different variable also. Now let 1 upon x is p, substitute this, and 1 upon y is equal to q. Substitute in this equation. What you will get? You will get equation first is what? 2p minus of 3q is equal to 15 and 8p plus of 5q is equal to 77. This is equation third and equation fourth. Now look towards the equation third and equation 4. This is a linear equation in two variable? Yes. So after making this equation into the linear equation in two variable, then solve by using any method. So many example I explained you. Up to this understood? This is only the extra steps in this practice set. Other remaining are the same step. Now if you know 2p minus 3q is equal to 15, 8p plus of 5q is equal to 77. So don't use elimination method. Why? There is no any coefficient which having the 1 as a coefficient. There is no any variable which having the coefficient 1 and therefore don't use it. So use the substitution method. For substitution method, make the same. What? Make the same coefficient of any one equation. Now multiply the equation third by 4. You will get what? 4 into 2, that is 8p minus of 4 into 3, that is 12q is equal to 15 and 8p plus of 5q is equal to 77. Now this 8p and 8p, see the equation number 4th and equation number 5th. Both having the coefficient p is equal to 8. Now subtract this equation. Now after subtracting, what you will get? Equation 5th and 4, you will get 17q, because this 5q, this minus become a plus and this is also minus of 16. So 5 plus 12, that is 17q is equal to 17 and therefore q is equal to 17 divided by 17 is equal to 1. So now you will get the value of q. substitute in any one equation. Which equation you have to use? Any one. 1, 2 or 3, 4. Any 4. From this equation you can substitute. So I use here equation third. After substituting the value of q is equal to 1, you will get the value of p. And then p is equal to 9, q is equal to 1. So, but this is not a solution. Why? We have to find out the value of x and y. But here we got the value of p and q. Now, p and q is 9, 1. What is p? P is equal to 1 upon x. And what is q? Q is equal to 1 upon y. So, 1 upon x is equal to 9 and 1 upon y is equal to 1. So, what you will get? X is equal to 1 by 9 and y is equal to 1. And now, this is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Understood, students? So, what is the step to solve this 1.4 practice set? First, given equation is not linear equation. If it is not linear equation, then make it linear equation by using the substituting the any variable. After making the linear equation, solve by the substitution or elimination method. After solving substitution elimination method, you will get the variable value, but that value are not the actual value. That then substitute in the actual value, you will get the value of x and y. So in this way you have to solve the 1.4. Understood, students? For telling answer, all of you know very well. Simply substitute the value of x and y in any equation, you will get LHS equal to RHS. Now the second equation, same way. Now instead of 1 upon x, what is the here? 1 plus 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. And 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus half 2. Listen, student, these denominators should be the same for both equations. Then only you can use this method. Okay. If here it is x plus y and here 1 upon x, we can't use it. Okay, so what we have to, this is a linear equation in two variable? No. So make it. It is a linear equation in two variable, but not a linear. It is in a two variable because x and y two variables are used. But we have to want a linear equation. So make it linear by simply substituting the 1 upon x plus y is equal to p and 1 upon x minus y is equal to q. Now after substituting, what you will get? See, 10 p plus of 2q is equal to 4 and second is 15p minus of 5q is equal to minus 2. After getting third and fourth equation, what you have to do? Now see here, multiply the equation 3 by 5. So what you will get? 25p plus of 5q is equal to 10. Now compare the equation 4th and 5th. This 4th equation and 5th equation. The 5q plus minus sign. So add this equation. After adding this equation, you will get the value of p is equal to 8 upon 40, that is 1 by 5. After getting the value of p, substitute in any equation. So I choose here third equation. 5p plus of q is equal to 2. What is p? P is equal to 1 by 5. So 5 into 1 by 5 plus q is equal to 2. So 1 plus q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2 minus of 1. Q is equal to 1. So this is the value we got here, 1 upon 5 and 1 for the value of p and q. After getting the value of p and q, resubstitute the value of p and q, you will get the value of x and y. Why? Because p is actual. What is p? P is 1 upon x plus y. And q, what is q? Q is 1 upon x minus y. And therefore 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus y and 1 is equal to 1 by x minus y. So x plus 5. After taking the reciprocal both the side, you will get x plus y is 5 and x minus y is 1. Now this is equation 6 and 7. Now this equation are very simple linear equation. Add it, you will get the value of x, and after substituting the value of x, you will get the value of y. So the solution of linear simultaneous equation is 3, 2. Same way you have to solve the equation question number 3 also. Here substitute 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to p and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to q. After getting the value of p and q, substitute in the original variable and you will get the value of x and y. Okay. Substitute, first make it linear pair. After making it, solve. After solving, you will get the value of variable p and q. After getting the value of variable p and q, substitute this value in the original, whatever you are considering in that equation, and then solve this equation. You will get the value of x and y. Same way, this is the fourth question. Okay, same, this is the fourth question. And then the question number first, to complete the table from the page number 16, that is complete the table. Now listen here, these four equations are given in front of you, that is 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. Number of variable are 2, so these are not linear, not a linear. Similarly, these two equation having a 2 variable, all having a 2 variable, but they are not a linear equation. Now in the table, the equations are not, you can convert the equation into linear variable. Yes. What is the answer of this question? Yes, we can convert this simultaneous linear equation into the simultaneous equation into the linear equation by making a suitable substitution. What is the suitable substitution? That we just saw in this question. See here. This is a linear equation in two variable? No. 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y. No. This is not a linear equation in two variable. Is it? Therefore, make it by substituting 1 upon 3x plus y is p and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q. After substituting the value, we convert that equation into the linear equation. So, this is the steps. Yes, we can convert this simultaneous linear equation which are given in table. You can convert into the pair of linear equation by making a suitable substitution. Then steps, which are the steps? Select the suitable variable other than those which are in the equation. Why? Here xy is in the equation, therefore I choose pq. You can choose mn. Okay. Second, replace the given variable with new variable such that in the equation become a linear equation in two variable. After substituting, after choosing the variable, substitute in the equation, you will get the linear equation. Then solve by the elimination and substitution method. After that, you will get the value of new variable. But you want the value of whatever variables are given in an equation. Then again you have to substitute the original value of the variable and you will get the answer. Understood, student? So today I am going to stop here. Again I am saying, every video you have to watch, you have to see. Any doubt you can send me a message and you have to complete this 1.4 in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.